Hey guys, it's Riri Peaches, and I'm back here with another Ipsy unpacking for the month of March. And I'm not really sure why this is already open, but I think it was closed when I got it, so I don't think it was like opened and shipping or anything. So this is the package it comes in, and if you don't know what Ipsy is, it's $12 US, and they send you like 5 products every month. And I think there's also Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, which is $25, and the Glam Bag Ultimate, which is $50, I think, US. And so this is my... I see a product is here already. Sometimes if something's too big, it'll be in the actual package instead of the bag. This is this month's bag. It's nice. I like it. I didn't think I would like it when I saw it like online, but it's nice, and it's the 100th Ipsy Glam Bag, and it says that on the back. It's a nice bag. It's like the last month was pretty like flimsy. It was a really nice bag though. But this, they made it sturdier. So I'll look at the first product, which is in the package. This is from Complex Culture, I think. It doesn't actually say it on here, but I think that's the brand. It's in a nice packaging, actually. And this is the brush. It's really nice, actually. It's like an eyelid brush, it says on it. Precision eyelid. Yeah, it's heavy. It's like, I like it. It's like a greenish gray, and then that's the tip. It's nice. And it has some gold on it. That was the first product. And I'll open the bag. This is the bag, and they have a card in here. This bag's kind of small. I don't know how it's hard to get the card out. It's like the zipper part isn't as big as the bag. And so it has the choice date, which is March 25th, and that's to choose a product for April. You get to choose one of the things. And so it says, this is the 100th Glam Bag. And they did a 6th product in here because it was like to celebrate it. They gave everyone a 6th product, and each of these are deluxe size samples. The like eye brush is a brush, full brush, but so it has each of the products in here. I'll look at that later, and it has a description on each of them. So let's see the first item, the second item. This is from Mischo? I don't know. This is from Mischo Beauty, and it's, you can see through this thing. It's a nail polish. It says it takes 2 to 3 minutes to dry. That's pretty good. It's vegan, and it's cruelty-free and non-toxic. So that's good. It's hard to open. It's nice packaging though. This is the shade Unbroken. This is the nail polish. It's nice. I don't know, I'm not sure if I would use it really. It's a cool bottle. I haven't seen nail polish really like this. I'll try it on my nail. If you saw last month's Ipsy unbagging, you would have seen that I also got a nail polish. And that was really nice. I liked the color a lot. Put on one coat. This is the color. You might not be able to see it. It's like a kind of purplish brown. It's a brown, grayish brown. It's okay. I wouldn't really use it. I'll read the card actually while we're going through these. So, it says the brush was a multitasking shadow brush. And yeah, it's 100% biodegradable too, so that's good. For the nail polish, it says, "We always look to fresh, light colors when the spring rolls about." I wouldn't really call this fresh and light color, but anyways, it calls it a smoky lavender. It's kind of purplish, but it's mostly just brownish gray. It's still nice. I wouldn't really use it though. And let's see the next thing. This is from Belle on Argent. And it's Luire. Anyways, it's in the metallic packaging. And it's a lip gloss. So I'll open this. If you saw last month's unbagging for February, you would have seen that I got some products and I said I wouldn't really like the lip balm and stuff, but I did actually end up using it a lot. And the color I got was also really nice for the lip gloss. That was nice. And the cream, it's really good. The hand cream that I got, it's a really good hand cream. I just really don't like the scent. Anyways, this is a lip gloss. Seems an interesting color. I'll swatch it. It's a cool packaging. I like it. This is the lip gloss. It's like a orangey, reddish pink color. It's like a salmon color, I would say. And it's got a lot of glitter in it. In the bottle, I don't really like how it looks, but on the swatch, it looks a bit better. So this will be interesting to try. And then my fourth item. Oh, so this is the lip gloss is actually what I chose. I didn't really see, there wasn't that many things I saw that I liked in the choice item for March. Except there was a lip mask that I wanted, but by the time that I was choosing it, I chose it late in the evening. They ran out, I guess. Too many people picked it. Now I kind of regret not getting the Tatcha water cream or dewy cream. I don't know what it's called, because I've seen it everywhere now after I like that. So I kind of regret not getting that, but I didn't really want more cream. So, this is actually that lip mask, so I guess they gave it, which is really nice, because I really wanted it. It's from the brand Awake, and it says Lip Therapy Lip Mask. Oh, so I forgot to read the card for the lip gloss, sorry. So it's in the shade Jealous of Us, and it says long-lasting, intense shine, and not sticky. It doesn't feel that sticky, which is good. It says it's a sheer and neutral color with a gold shimmery tint. So that's nice. It's made with jojoba oil to reduce chapping. Yeah, that's nice. This is the Awake lip mask. It's really nice. I'm happy to get a lip mask in this because usually they're really expensive. So this is nice to get an Ipsy. And it's a sample size. It's a deluxe sample, but it's still you could get a lot of use out of it. And it says it heals, nourishes, and softens them. And it's overnight lip mask. And it's made with plant oils like argan, rosehip, and olive. And it's a fruity scent. It is kind of a fruity scent. I don't know. It doesn't really have that much of a scent to it. This is the next product. It's from Grace and Stella. It's lavender lotion. I didn't really want more cream, but it's kind of my fault because Ipsy does you do a quiz and you say what items you want, and I did put cream as sometimes instead of rarely, so rarely is the lowest, and there's sometimes and often, I think. So I put cream as sometimes, so I guess it's kind of my fault, but I didn't really want a cream. Okay, so I'm gonna try a bit on. It's really like light, which is weird. I feel like I've never felt cream this light. It doesn't have too strong of a scent, but it's definitely lavender. It's just not too overpowering. But it's extremely light, so I don't know if it would do that much. It's made with cocoa seed butter, aloe vera, and rosehip seed oil. The hand cream is nice. I just would have preferred not to get a hand cream. And then this is the 6th item. Yeah, because there's 6 items. Usually there's only 5 items. This is from Naked Cosmetics, and it's an eyeshadow in the shade Mother Nature. I'm happy to get an eyeshadow. But it's nice that they gave like eyeshadow and an eye brush, because if you just got one or the other and you like didn't have the other, then there's no point. Okay, so this is the packaging. It's really big, I think. I'll open it and see. Yeah, it's pretty big. You could definitely use this for a while. I'll swatch it. I'll swatch it here. So that is the pigment. That is the eyeshadow. It's really pigmented. It's like a kind of pinky gold, but not really rose. Yeah, I guess it's kind of rose gold, but more goldy, more bronze, kind of. It's really nice though. So it says it's clean cosmetics. So it's all natural. It's champagne pressed pigment. So I guess that's the color it describes it as. And it says it's flattering on every eye color and shape. These were all the products I got. I'm pretty happy with this bag actually. Except for the cream. I'm not that happy with the cream, but it is a nice cream. I just wouldn't really have liked it in this, but usually there's like a few products, 1 or 2 that you don't like in your bag. So I'll see the total value of everything. The deluxe sample, the Awake Lip Therapy Mask, that is the full size, which is 13.8 grams, is $20. This is 2 grams. So that's pretty like small compared to the full size. It might be like $2 or something, a bit less than $2. But it's still really nice to get in this because it is like a good amount of the lip mask. So that's nice. The lip gloss bottle is seeming kind of like, I don't know, it's really like plasticky, but it's still cool packaging. So that is a deluxe sample. Yeah, it does seem kind of small. The full size is 6.4 grams. This is 4.6 grams, so that's 2 grams less. So it'd still be like a $15-ish value. The hand cream is a deluxe sample. It's a pretty big size for hand cream though. Like, hand cream is usually in small bottles anyways. This is 30 milliliters. And the full size is 473 milliliters. Okay, so I guess it's not that much. But the full size must... Oh, this is body cream, not hand cream, sorry. So that's, yeah, so I guess the full size would be really big. The full size is $15. So this is only like $2, really, maybe? I mean, I counted as $2. So I counted the lip mask as $2, lip gloss as $15, and this is $2. So right now we're at $19, sorry. The nail polish, this is a deluxe sample, and 11 milliliters of this. The full size is $20. This is 10 milliliters. So this is almost the full size, actually. So this is maybe like $18. That's pretty good. And also the bag is only $12 US, so that's good. The Naked Cosmetics eyeshadow is the full size and it's $15. That's good. Yes, it's all like, this makes up for the bag. So that's really good. This eye brush is full size $18. That's also really good. This eye brush seems like it would be good quality. It's like heavy. The total I got was $70. That's pretty good. Yeah, so that's a really good value for a $12 bag. And you get this nice bag. So that's really good. I like that. I think it's supposed to be $50 plus value. And I got 2 full-size products, so that's really good. I am going to do something, so it will be like how much I would pay for each of these. This, I don't really, like, I didn't really want it, so I would say, like, usually hand creams are like, oh, this is body cream, I keep forgetting. I would pay like $4 for this, maybe less, but I'll put it as 4. So $4. This lip gloss I would pay, it seems nice, I'm not sure how well it would go on me, like how it would look. I'll say $10 because it isn't that big. And then this I would pay like $4 for, even though it's like probably less than that. Usually these are really expensive. Like it says the full size is only $20, so I don't know, but I would still pay like $4 for this. The eyeshadow is $15. I wouldn't really pay $15 for one eyeshadow. Usually eyeshadow is like around that, but it's nice though, but I wouldn't pay $15. I'll say $10. This eye brush is really nice. I would pay $12 for this. This nail polish, I don't like the color at all, so I would pay $5. So the total I got was $45. That's also really good anyways, considering it's a $12 bag. And the bag is really nice too. On the inside it's like a lime green, on the outside it's teal with studs on it. That's nice. It seems kind of waterproof too. I feel like Ipsy bags are all like that. Last month's was like that, but I don't know if they're all like that, but yeah, it's nice. So those were all my items. So this was a nice bag. But I'm happy with most of the items except for the hand cream, and I don't like the color of the nail polish. Other than that, it was a really good bag. Bye.